Good day to everyone. It is an honor to extend my warmest greetings to all the attendees of the Nation Builders and Muslim Awards 2024 with the theme, Forests for the Future, Guardians of Biodiversity. This event, organized under the leadership of President Kenneth Rosete, is a testament to the collective commitment of Muslim communities to champion sustainability, environmental stewardship, and the development of smart and livable communities for the benefit of both present and future generations. The preservation of our natural resources and biodiversity is not just a responsibility but a moral obligation. In this era of rapid urbanization and technological advancement, it is crucial that we balance progress with sustainability. To all awardees, I congratulate you for your exceptional dedication and passion. You are the embodiment of hope and the true guardians of biodiversity. Your efforts inspire others to take part in the mission of protecting our planet and ensuring a brighter future for the next generations. Together, let us work hand in hand to nurture and sustain the forests of our futures. May this event ignite deeper resolve in all of us to be proactive in our efforts toward environmental preservation and sustainability. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay kayong lahat.